Okay, what we want to do is we want to write 0 and 24 hundredths. It's repeating as a fraction. So what we're talking about is we want to take a number that looks like this, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and just keeps going. What does this look like as a fraction? Step 1, we're going to set the number to a variable. Set the number to a variable. Well, what does that mean? That means I'm just going to write it like this. I'm just pick a letter, say n equals this number. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, dot, dot, dot. Step 2, I'm going to multiply by, in this case, 100, because I have 2 digits repeating, because 2 digits repeat. And remember, when I multiply in an equation, I have to multiply both sides. So if I multiply this side by 100, I'm going to have 100n. And if I multiply this by 100, well, multiplying by 100 just means moving the decimal over 2 places. So in that case, then it looks like this. 2, 4, decimal, and then 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and on forever. Okay, now step 3. Step 3, I have to subtract. This is kind of the tricky but slick part. I'm going to subtract this equation from this equation. So if I call this equation 1 and I call this equation 2, what I'm doing is I'm subtracting. I'm doing 2 subtract 1. So what do I mean by that? I mean I'm going to literally subtract n equals 0 decimal 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and so on. Remember, when you subtract decimals, you line up the decimal point. Well, now when I look at this, I notice, hey, everything to the right of the decimal point is the same on both of these. So whenever you subtract the same thing, this just goes away, right? It's like subtracting 5 minus 5 or 3 minus 3. It's the same amount. So this will go away. And the only thing left here is 24 minus 0. Well, 24 minus 0 is 24. And that's going to equal, I bring down the equal sign, 100n minus n, or 1n, is 99n. Oh, well, that is just a one-step equation. If I want to solve this for n, and I'm multiplying by 99, I will have to divide by 99. So 99 divided by 99 is n. There's 1, and 1 times n. And then I have this 24 over 99. And I got to ask myself, can I simplify this thing? Yeah, I can at least divide each of these by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. And 99 divided by 3 is 33. Can this be simplified? No. So there you go. N equals 8/33. So that means what we're saying is that this right here, this repeated decimal, is the same thing as 8/33. There it is. There's your 8th grade standard. Use it well.